Hi, this is Queen from Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable the on registration option for SendGrid. So once you're logged in to your AEvent account, you'll be on the dashboard. You just have to open the timeline you want to enable the option for. Once on the timeline, you just have to click on the integration section and look for SendGrid from the list of your integrations. Make sure that it is activated. If it's not, you just have to toggle the switch and the gear icon will become available. So just click on this icon to open the integration settings for SendGrid. Make sure that the send email on registration is enabled. If it's not, just toggle the switch to enable it. Once enabled, the edit option here will become available. Kindly click on it to open up the email editor for SendGrid. So as you can see, I have prepared this in advance. You just have to provide the sender's email address, sender's name, the subject for your on registration email, and the body of that email message. And you'll notice that I have personalization values here. I have the first name, the webinar date, the time, and the URL. So to get those values, you just have to click on the personalization icon from here. For the first name, I just clicked on first name under subscriber. For the webinar day and time, just click on webinar from here and look for day of month for the webinar day. And for the time, I selected EST time. And then for the join URL, it's the first one on the list under subscriber. Click on that one, and these values will be included in your email. So this one will be pulling in the registrant's first name, webinar day and webinar time, and the unique join URL per registrant. Aside from the personalization values, you can also include an emoji on your email. So to add an emoji, just click on the smiley or the emoji icon from here. And in this case, I have just selected a simple emoji, but you can include any emoji you want. And once you're satisfied with the email, just click on Save Email. And of course, don't forget to update settings to save the changes you made. So that's how you enable the on registration email for SendGrid. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. And that's all for this video. See you on the next one.